Good morning, Shannon here from houseimprovements.com. In today's video, I think this is about day 13. Today's video, I'm going to start working on some of the inside stuff. So I'm going to put in some insulation stops up in all the eaves here. Actually, yeah, up in all the eaves. I was going to say I don't have to put them here because that eave isn't vented, but I'm still going to put them up there just to keep the insulation from blowing back in there. You can see the electrician has got some of his, or most of his roughing all done. So that part's done. So I'm going to get in the insulation stops. I've got to put an attic access back here. I'm going to poly the ceiling. And I'm going to insulate this wall. I'm going to insulate it and poly it so that I can put OSB on that wall. None of the other walls are getting done, but I want to do this wall. For one, it'll help strengthen this wall. This is a really big door. It's a 18 by 8 door. That's not my truck, by the way, because I know somebody's going to ask. Yeah, I want to put OSB on this wall just to help strengthen it. It'll give it some strength from wanting to rack this way. Probably won't rack, but I just want to be sure. So anyways, I'm going to insulate it, poly it, OSB the wall. Once the OSB is done, that will allow me to put my my framing, my 2x6 on the flat all the way around the opening, and that's what the hardware will all attach to. So anyways, we'll get that all done and we'll check back later in the day to see how it's going. Hi, it's Shannon back. It's the end of the day. Just gonna finish up the vlog here. It's really hot today and I've had enough. It's like 3 o'clock and I'm fried. So I got all the poly vapor barrier done today on the entire ceiling. And like I mentioned before, I wanted to do this wall, so I've got the vapor barrier all done on that, so that I can do the OSB. Started a row of OSB, finish that all off tomorrow. I got the insulation stops in. You probably can't see through the poly. No, you really can't see through the poly, but just use these cardboard insulation stops here. Couple left over, and I got the attic access hatch all secured in there and sealed to the poly. So anyways, like I said, it's time to head home.